In this room, Maia Ruth Lee explores the difficulty that we face when trying to articulate emotions that are very hard to understand and convey to others. She explains that grief is something that we feel and feel deeply, but is difficult at times to put into words. She turns then to the idea of asemic writing. In other words, writing in which there are letters and symbols, but no clear referent and no clear meaning attached to them. And the idea of asemic writing plays out in both these works on canvas, where you see silhouettes taken from clothing patterns, and also in this long scroll that comes down from the ceiling, where she has used black bandages arranged almost as a form of hieroglyphics coming down to the floor. Through these ideas of comfort, the bandage as a healing mechanism, clothing as something that wraps the body, she communicates the idea of healing. On the wall behind me are 2 electric blankets, both of them functional, with heat-sensitive cloth layered over them that allows you to see the cords of the electric heat source emanating through the blankets. The idea behind these objects is to convey the sense of warmth and comfort. In other words, the idea of things that we turn to, paths of healing that we looked to over the past year, particularly through our experience of the COVID-19 pandemic. To my right are letters that Maia Ruth Lee has written over the past months. As an artist who formerly used to work in Brooklyn, she moved over the past year to Salida, Colorado to start a new life and reinvigorate her art practice. In these letters, she corresponds with her colleagues about her experience and how she contends with this challenging year.